have fire. EB, go and verify the fire alarm at Charlie Deck. Starboard side, frame 70. And report back immediately. Charlie Deck, starboard side, frame 170. 70.
Great sir, there's a huge smoke coming from the lower deck, Charlie Deck. Over.
Copy, confirm. Charlie Deck, starboard side, frame 70. I will immediately inform you, sir.
Captain, okay, fire at the Charlie Deck, starboard side, frame 70. Okay, sound the alarm.
Okay.
Five long.
Attention all hands, attention all hands, attention all hands. This is a drill, this is a drill, this is a drill. Fire at Charlie Deck, starboard side, frame 70. Fire at Charlie Deck, starboard side, frame 70. All hands proceed to master stations. All hands proceed to master station.
Yes. Hello, this is Trans Future 3 Captain speaking. Mr. Goto-san, I would like to inform you that we have the emergency. We have a fire at the cargo deck C. We have a fire at cargo deck C caused by electronic vehicle. Fire at the cargo deck C. Okay, I will inform you later the progress of the firefighting. I will call also the Japanese Coast Guard for rescue. Over.
Except for the support spot.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And duty officer on the engine. Over.
Okay, noted on that. Okay, emergency squad. So all accounted for. You can proceed now to the scene of fire. Over.
Okay, we will now proceeding to the scene of fire.
Emergency squad.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Trans Future 3. Trans Future 3. Trans Future 3. In position, latitude 27 degrees 21.7 north, longitude 128 degrees 05.9 east. We have fire on board. We have fire on board. Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is motor vessel Trans Future 3. Trans Future 3. In position 27 degrees 21.7 north, 128 degrees 05.9 east. We have fire on board. Fire on board. All station, please acknowledge. Support squad, please. Support squad, kindly open all ventilation leading to Zone Alpha. All ventilation leading to Zone Alpha. On deck Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. Open all ventilation, over.
We will open all ventilations leading to Zone Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta, sir. Over.
Okay, noted. Once open, then advise bridge. Engine room squad, bridge. Engine room squad, kindly de-energize all the electrical at Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta. And once you energize the Zone Alpha, proceed to the engine room for the additional generator. Start the emergency fire pump. Over.
Copy that, sir.
We already energized
energize the current power supply to the whole of Zone A and B. We already energized the current supply to the whole of Zone A, over.
Okay, already energized all Zone A electrical. Okay, noted on that. So you can proceed now to the engine room for additional generator and to start the emergency fire power.
Support squad, all ventilations leading to Zone Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta are all open, sir. All open, over.
Noted on that. All ventilation leading to Zone Alpha, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, and Delta Dick already open. Support squad, bridge.
Sir, support squad, sir.
Okay, you can proceed to the scene of fire and then kindly conduct boundary cooling on the opposite deck, on the upper deck, Delta, and to the Bravo deck, over.
Sir, support squad now, sir, proceeding to the scene of fire. We will station at Bravo deck and Delta deck, sir. Once we lay down fire hoses, we will report back, sir, over.
Roger on that. So you can pass Delta deck on the port side, going to Bravo, passing through the rampway. Fire is on car deck C frame 70, and you are safe to passage on the rampway, over.
Sir, we will pass on the Delta deck rampway, sir, going to Bravo, sir. Fire is on the starboard side, sir, over.
Bridge Command, this is Engine Room Team. We have already started the additional generator, over, sir.
Okay, Engine Room Squad already started additional generator. Then you can start the emergency fire pump, over.
Copy that, sir. Once started, we report to you, sir.
Bridge Command, this is Engine Room Team. The emergency fire pump has already been started, over.
Noted on that, emergency fire pump already started.
Emergency squad, bridge. We have now the additional generator. Emergency fire pump already started. So you can combat the fire using the solid stream of water, over.
Emergency squad, support squad, bridge. Okay, emergency squad, support squad, start the mission leading to the Zone Alpha. To the ventilation to remove the smoke, over. Squad, bridge.
Squad, sir, now station at Bravo deck. Fire hoses are already laid down, sir. We will now start boundary cooling, over.
Okay, start boundary cooling on the Bravo deck.
Bridge, this is support team from Delta deck. We are now carrying boundary cooling from Delta deck.
Noted on that, Delta deck, support squad. You are now conducting boundary cooling on Noted on that, all firefighters now ready. Initial shore is 200 bars, over.
Copy on that, sir. We will give you informed once we are now proceeding to the scene of fire.
Emergency squad, bridge. The emergency fire pump already started, so you can use the water and you can fight the fire by all the available means, over.
Sir, this is on-set commander. We are now proceeding to the scene of fire. We complete Alpha D circle, Bravo 2K.
Okay, noted on that, emergency squad. You are now proceeding to combat the fire. Over. Okay, noted on that. Support squad, bridge.
Sir, support squad, sir.
Yes, kindly send your medical team. We have one crew injured at the Delta deck. Please proceed to the Delta deck to assist the injured crew, over.
Yes, sir, one injured at Delta deck. Now support squad proceeding to Delta deck, sir, over. How are you doing? How's the condition Roger, we need to cut out. Step. 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 Stable.
Okay, noted on that. Fire is uncontrollable. Fire is uncontrollable and running out of oxygen. Okay, evacuate the area. Evacuate the area and proceed to the CO2 room. Proceed to the CO2 room at the app station. Proceed to the CO2 room. Over.
Please, this is additional support team. We are now backing out the area. We are now backing out the area.
Roger on that. All station. All station. Back out and proceed to the master station. Proceed to the master station. Over.
Copy on that, sir. We are now backing out. All teams are backing out. We are now proceeding to our master station.
Support squad, bridge. Support squad, kindly close all ventilation leading to zone alpha. Close all ventilation leading to zone alpha. Once you close all ventilation, can you advise the bridge to proceed for the release of the CO2? Over. Roger on that. Okay, all ventilation leading to zone alpha already closed. Okay, emergency squad, bridge, all ventilation leading to zone alpha is already closed. Then you can start to release the CO2 at zone alpha. Over. Emergency squad, bridge.
We are now at the master station. All crew accounted for. All crew accounted for. No missing except for the bridge team and engine team. Over.
Okay, noted on that. So, all crew accounted for. Then, you can start to discharge the CO2. You can start to discharge the CO2 at zone alpha. Over.
Yes, sir. All crew accounted for. Confirmed. And I am now proceeding to the CO2 station to release zone alpha. Zone alpha. Over.
Roger on that.
I am now here, sir, at CO2 control panel. CO2 control panel to release zone alpha. Zone alpha, over. Roger that. So you can start to release now the CO2 at zone alpha.
This is squad, can you advise bridge once you already released the CO2 at zone alpha? Over.
Right now, sir, I already released the CO2 at zone alpha via control panel main. Over.
Roger, so already released the CO2 at alpha. Okay, noted on that. So attention all station, attention all station. So the Japanese Coast Guard rescue team is now approaching to conduct the checking if the fire is totally extinguished. Over.
Copy on that, sir. All stations standing by. All crew standing by here at the master station. Waiting for your orders. Over.
Emergency squad, the Coast Guard is already alongside. Send your crew to fetch the Coast Guard and then accompany them to the cargo hold, zone alpha, to check if the fire is totally extinguished. Over.
Copy on that, sir. We will proceed to escort the Coast Guard on starboard side and then bring them to the zone alpha. Over.
Roger on that. Then can you advise bridge the status of fire if totally extinguished? Over. Then support squad, bridge.
Yes, sir. This is support squad, sir.
Now proceed to the Zone Bravo. I-connect. Check the temperature of the main deck. If the temperature still, if there's a heat on the flooring, can you check the temperature over?
Echo deck, sir. Echo deck. Now support squad. Proceeding to echo deck, sir. Here, support squad, sir. Support squad, over.
Support squad, bridge.
The temperature reading on echo deck still 80 to 100 degrees, over.
So, 80 to 100? Is that correct?
Yes, sir. That is the reading on echo deck flooring. Echo deck flooring.
Emergency squad, bridge as per the support squad. Temperature of the main deck flooring is still around 80 to 100 degrees. So, can you advise if the fire is totally extinguished or still getting bigger, over?
Sir, we will report to the bridge. Sir, the fire is not controllable. Uncontrollable. We are waiting for your final order. Over.
Okay, noted on that. So, fire is uncontrollable and getting bigger. Okay, back out. Back out. Then, proceed to the boat station for abandoned ship. Proceed to boat station for abandoned ship. Over.
After that, sir, we are backing out. We are backing out and proceeding to boat station for abandoned ship.
Attention Tape 3 station, attention Tape 3 station. Abandon ship, abandon ship, abandon ship. Please proceed to your boat station and report. Over.
And ready to proceed for abandoned ship. Ready to proceed for abandoned ship. Waiting for your orders.
Okay, noted on that. So, all crew at the master at the boat station, stand by for abandoned ship. Okay, we will go down. And once we arrive, we will